Problem 14. What is the greatest integer less than or equal to the following expression? Well, I don't know, so let's just put x. If we were to have x, let's cross multiply. 3 to the 100 plus 2 to the 100 is the same thing as, or not the same thing, less than or equal to x, right, times 3 to 96 plus 2 to 96. Now, it's super annoying because look, 96 and 100, they all differ by 4. So what if, let's say, x is equal to 2 to the 4? If x is equal to 2 to the 4, then that becomes 3 to the 100, right, plus 2 to the 100 is less than or equal to 2 to the 4 times 3 to the 96, right, plus 2 to the 4 times 2 to the 96, which is just 2 to the 100. So obviously this gets eliminated. But is this true? Well, obviously not, right, because this gets eliminated into 3 to the 4 times 3 to the 96. Obviously, that's larger than that. And so x to 2 to the 4 is stupid. But what about x is equal to 3 to the 4? Well, we might get something here, because that's 3 to the 100 plus 2 to the 100 is less than or equal to 3 to the 4, or 3 to the 100, right, plus 3 to the 4 times 2 to the 96. Now, obviously, this gets eliminated, and we are left with 2 to the 4, right, times 2 to the 96, right? Is that less than or equal to this? Well, obviously, yeah, because 3 to the 4 is larger than 2 to the 4. And so when x is equal to 3 to the 4, this has to be a valid solution. And so 3 to the 4 could go right here. And that is the same thing as 81. Now, what is the greater integer less than or equal to? Well, less than or equal to means it has to be 81. But the original value x, right? Let's consider x, because 3 to the 4, is that the precise value? 81? Is 81 really the exact value of this division? Well, it's not, because consider that 3 to the 4, right, and 2 to the 4. This is never going to factor in completely because we realize that 2 to the 4 and 3 to the 4, right, there's always a difference. Even though that difference, when you multiply it out, might be small, there's still that difference, which means that you will never get exactly 81 when you divide it out. And so it's going to be slightly less than equal to a number that's between 80 and 81. And so therefore, your answer has to be 80, which is going to be answer choice A.